Hello everyone. In last video we have discussed about what is moment generating function and how to derive moment generating function for problems is given. So now in this video we are going to solve another problem by help of moment generating function concept. Okay. So first I will read the problem, then I will explain how to solve it. So a random variable x has the PDF. Here probability density function is given. So here f of x is also given. It is 2 times e power minus 2x when x greater than is equal to 0. So otherwise it is 0. Question is find moment generating function. So if f of x is given, then obviously trivially it is continuous type. So if continuous type is given, then how to find moment generating function? First we have to write the formula. If continuous type is given, then moment generating function formula is mx of t mx of t sorry one second mx of t integral over minus infinity to plus infinity e to power tx f of x into dx. Now in this formula you have to write the given information which is given in the question that you have to replace in this formula. First, that is your first step. So what are the things that is given in the question? First, limit will be given, then f of x will be given. All those things you have to write in your formula. So in general formula the limit is minus to plus infinity. In our formula we have to fix our limit which is given in the problem. Here always x greater than 0, that means x starting from 0 to infinity. So this is the first step. Now write e power tx as it is given in the formula. Now write what is f of x which is given in the question. So it is 2 times e power minus 2x into dx. Okay. So now we are going to start simplifying this problem. So first here 2 is constant that can be kept outside of the integration. Now this part, only this part is going to be integrating. Okay. So let us see how to integrate. First e power x, if you want to integrate e power x, then what is the formula? Again it is e power x. Okay. And the coefficient of x that can be written in the denomination. Now e power x, the term x is given in multiplication of x, around 2 times x terms is given. So here let us see how to differentiate. So here x is common. So x is common, that can be kept outside. Now if you differentiate, what is the answer? E power minus 2 tx divided by the coefficient of x is what? Minus 2 minus t. Okay. So that can be written in the denomination. So after writing this, now apply upper limit and lower limit. As we already discussed, 1 by infinity is 0. So we have to make this term as 1 by infinity. If anything power e power infinity is given, then it is not 0. Okay. So e power minus infinity is what? 1 by e power minus infinity. It is 1 by infinity. So it is 0. Okay, clear? Now minus 2 divided by 2 minus t, 0 minus 1. So mx of t is equal to 2 divided by t. So this is the required answer. Okay. Now let us see another problem. So the problem, first I will read the problem, then I will explain the concept. So find MGF, that means find moment generating function of a random variable x having PDF f of x equal to 1 by 3 which is given in the interval minus 1 to 2, otherwise it is 0. So here f of x is given, then we have to find out the moment generating function for continuous type, because f of x is given, then it is continuous type obviously. Okay, right? So first write the general formula. What is the general formula? It is mx of t, then integral over minus infinity to plus infinity e power tx f of x into tx. This is the general formula. Now in general formula substitute all the results which is given in the question. Questionல என்னென்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்களோ அந்த இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் எல்லாத்தையுமே ஜெனரல் ஃபார்முலால we are substituting. So first என்ன வரும்? minus infinity plus infinity வந்து நம்மளோட இன்டர்வலுக்கு ஏற்ற மாதிரி we are converting. It is minus 1 to 1. Now e power tx into what is f of x? It is given in the question. It is 1 by 3 right here. Now 1 by 3 is constant that can be kept in outside. So remaining part should be integrated. So e power tx is what? E power tx divided by t, because x order coefficient should be written in the denomination. Okay, now substitute the limits. So when you substitute 2, it is e power 2t divided by t. When you substitute minus 1, e power minus t divided by t. So it is divided by 3t is common, that can be kept outside. Okay. Okay, now thank you. We will meet in next video.